Situated on the River Rhine, between Düsseldorf and Monheim, the Urdenbacher Kämpe, with its nature reserve, is a rare example of a floodplain in the middle of a built-up area. Fluctuating water levels characterize the area, in which rare plants like burnet and autumn crocus flourish. Many animal species also find an ideal habitat here. Along this stretch, the Rhine is a free-running river, with no dikes to prevent its flooding the plain. Since the wetlands retain the surplus water, this provides natural flood protection for the towns and cities further downstream. The nature reserve is bordered by the Rhine to the west, and to the east by the Rhine's old riverbed, which runs below an embankment on the outskirts of Düsseldorf. The rise in the land and the uneven terrain made by flood channels are clearly visible on the shaded relief map. The course of the old Rhine at Urdenbach. In 1374, a particularly high flood caused the river to change its course. In the 1950s, in order to control summer flooding, 2 drainage ditches were dug and a low dike was built along the old Rhine, confining it to the northern side of the dike. The aim was to protect the adjoining meadows, but this resulted in a deterioration of the natural habitat. In the meantime, the old Rhine has been restored to its natural state. Between August 2013 and April 2014, 2 breaches were made in the dike. For a stretch of 2.5 kilometers, the old Rhine now flows along the left-hand side of the dike. The low gradient stream here will help absorb the annual floods and any floods caused by heavy rainfalls. Tench, pike and other species of fish will find safe spawning beds here. At the center of the nature reserve, Hausbergl stands on the foundations of a Roman fort. Today it houses a Roman museum, a riding stable with a draft horse stud, and the eco center that maintains the nature reserve. A network of color-coded nature trails invites visitors to discover old orchards, magical waterscapes, rare wet meadows, and the remains of riverine woodlands. Information panels and dial-in audio commentaries offer in-depth knowledge and surprising facts about the area. The river rises and falls, periodically flooding the wetlands, and nurtures a rich habitat. In busy metropolitan surroundings, the Urdenbacher Kämpe presents a unique opportunity for visitors to experience a natural cycle in a largely man-made environment.